Go Live Theatre are proud to launch our first national project since the charity opened in 1997, Creative Connections. Creative Connections is a programme for young people who are experiencing challenges to inspire them to get into theatre. This is split across several strands: to devise a performance, to see 2 professional productions in the heart of Manchester, and to have hidden careers in the arts talks to inspire them not only to think of what is on stage, but what is behind the stage.
Today we're at home performing a piece about hate, discrimination.
We've been rehearsing it for a couple of weeks now. Really excited, looking forward to it.
The programme made me feel like I've got more confidence. After doing this, I'd want to be like backstage manager and like sorting people out before they get on stage.
It was absolutely amazing today. Seeing the kids from their first session to where they are now is just absolutely amazing. We're really proud to be partnering with Go Live for this project. They partnered with us to find artists and people to work with the young people in the school and to build the relationships with the teachers.
Creative Connections has brought so much to our young people. They walked in week 1 shy, unwilling, lacking self-esteem, and it's been really lovely week after week to see them grow as individuals but also collectively as well. This project has been amazing at opening their eyes, because I genuinely think that so many of our students wouldn't consider a career within the theatre.
It's not just about young people wanting to go into theatre and be actors or stage managers or directors, although that's wonderful if they do. It's also about having basic transferable skills that mean that you are able to be in the world and lead with confidence and speak with confidence. One of the pupils just went up to Tom and Tilly, who facilitated the sessions, and said, "You've really helped me gain confidence, thank you for everything." And actually she was knockout in it. She wrote a beautiful piece and performed it absolutely wonderfully.
This project with Go Live has been amazing. It made me feel confident in the things I write and in the things I say. Everything was just really fun to me and I really enjoyed it.
It's really important for PwC to support programmes like this, because you can reach out to young people who often don't get the opportunity, and if the PwC Foundation can help them get that experience, then it's a win-win.